Looks like that coin cell battery is dead. Does F2 not work on this keyboard? What the hell? Oh. So you can still navigate with the keyboard. It's got 12 gigs of RAM. Ooh, a Xeon W3565 at 3.20 gigahertz. Quad core, hyper-threading, 64-bit. This is kind of odd. SATA 1 was unplugged. It had the orange one plugged in a SATA 1. I made it SATA 2 now. 0 is the hard drive. And I'm going to have to remove this to get to the battery in there. And I don't know, should we look in the power supply? Well, the caps don't look like they're bulging. It's not that dusty in there either. This was a small time server. The guy had 3 more and some optiplexes. After I see how to remove this, oh, it's probably that right there. Yep, that's it. Whoa. Man, how does this come undone? Ow. Just not slice my hand open on this thing. I got it. It's just incredibly stiff, and I didn't want to force it. But yeah, hinges upward. There it is. Here's the memory. Micron, Samsung, Hynix. They're all matched pairs. And I'm talking too close to the phone again. So yeah, let me look for a CMOS battery, a 2032. CR 2032. Maybe there's one in here. Okay, we'll take this one out. Wow. Pretty dusty. Haven't done anything with this since the video I put out on it. Got it for free. Got those bad caps and it still worked. And it passes the stress test. This thing has no issues last time I used it. So yeah, let's take that battery out. Actually, I'm pretty sure I put that in there myself. It's a very unscientific way to test if that has a charge on it. Put your tongue on it and it should taste sour. So yeah, there's one way you could do it. Managed to get the old battery out without breaking anything. Here's the hard drive of choice with the storage. And we're going to use an SSD right here as the main drive for SATA 0. Since I slept all day, today is Saturday, August 9th, we'll do a after midnight Windows XP installation in a few hours. Bought another amplified antenna, by the way. It's just as good as that one. The Philips one over there sucks pretty bad. Was digging through my stash and found this, but it's only 16 gigs, so I'm going to look over there somewhere. Hopefully find a bigger drive. 120, much better. And we're done. What year is this one from? Date code says 09293. It's big enough for storage. Actually, I should put a drive in here that's like 2 terabytes. I have two 2 terabyte drives in mine. Actually, one's a 2 terabyte, one's a 4 terabyte, but it'll only let me read 2 out of the 4. So as a file server, this will be good enough. Okay, we're all set up. Stay tuned for part 3, where we install Windows. But I'm gonna start installing Windows later. Gotta put it on the flash drive. Got the new Integral Edition. Well, it's not new. It came out in May, and I don't have that one. So yeah, we're gonna do that.